Hello friend, welcome to Skills Learning World. If you like our video, then like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hello friend, today we will read Introduction to Java. In 1990, Sun Microsystem announced to develop a software for consumer electronic. For it, a team was created, which leader was James Gosling, and worked on this project named Green Project. After 1 year, a language software was introduced called Oak. Some milestone for Java development. 1990, it was announced to develop a software for consumer electronic by Sun Microsystem. 1991, in this year a new language software was developed, Oak. 1992, in this year this language software was demonstrated using a handheld touchscreen system. 1993, in it an internet-based application tools was developed called Applet. 1994, a web browser called HotJava was developed to run Applet program. 1995, in this year due to some legal issue, the name of this language Oak was changed to Java. 1996, its first version JDK, Java Development Kit 1.0 was released. 1997, its second version JDK, Java Development Kit 1.1 was released. 1998, its third version JDK, Java Development Kit 1.2 was released. Advanced features of Java. There are some important advanced features of Java that are following. Platform independent. Generally the software of another languages are platform dependent. It means the software created of one system can run on only those systems which have some platform and configuration. It does not run on different system with different platform or configuration, but Java software is platform independent. Once it is created on one system and it can run on different configuration and platform. Compiled and interpreted. Generally every language has its compiler or interpreter. At first program is compiled with compiler, after that it is executed by interpreter, according to platform. Object-oriented. In it all features of object-oriented programming structure, like class, object, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance and polymorphism are available. Robust and secure. Java is a robust language. It means it can handle many unwanted or errors operations easily without creating any problem in system software. It is also a secure language because it prevents unauthorized access of system or data. In it, exception handling is also concept of easily handling of errors and bugs. Distributed system is a type of network system. In it, different parts of system are available in different systems, but using network they communicate each other. Multi-threading. Multi-threading is advanced concept of multi-programming or multitasking. Many programs or tasks run concurrently on a single CPU. But in a multi-threading, different parts of a program can run concurrently on a single CPU. Each part of program is called a thread. Easy, familiar and simple. In Java, those statements and keywords are removed which increased the complexity. For example, operator overloading, structure, union, unsigned, signed, pointer are removed. It is also a familiar language, because many keywords of C and C++ languages are used. Most of syntax and grammar are some as C++ languages. Dynamic and extensible. Java supports dynamic features of languages, and most of things are created dynamically at runtime. It also supports function of C and C++, so it is called extensible. Different parts of Java software. When Java is installed, then different components of Java are installed in a system. It has mainly 3 components of parts are following. Number 1. Java Development Tools. Java has following development tools to help user for their application. Point A. Java. It is interpreter of Java and used for execution of Java programs. Point B. Java C. It is Java compiler and is used to translate a Java program from source code to object code. Point C. JDB. It is Java debugger, which is used for debugging. Point D. Java P. It is disassembler of Java. Point E. Java H. It is used to clear header file for native methods. Point F. Java Doc. It is used to create documentation of Java program. Point G. Applet Viewer. It is used to run an applet program without using web browser. Number 2. Java Standard Library. Application Programming Interface API. In Java, there are many library classes available in different groups that is called packages. These packages are following. Point A. Language Support Package. In it, those classes and methods are available which are frequently used in every program. It is by default included with compiler. It is called java.lang. Point B. Input/output packages. In this package, those library classes and methods are available, which are responsible for inputting, outputting. It names java.io. Point C. Utility packages. This packages is responsible for system date system time. It names as java.util. Point D. Network packages. This packages is responsible for those classes and methods which are used for network operation like connectivity, data transfer, file transfer, message transfer, etc. It names as java.net. Point E. Abstract Windows Tools packages. In it, tools for Windows application are available when we design Windows are created using classes and methods are available in it. It names as java.auth. Point F. Applet packages. This packages is responsible for creating an applet program. All classes and methods for applet manipulation are available in it. Number 3. Java Runtime Environment (JRE). In Java, there are many programs available for different operations, are also included as runtime environment. According to requirement of our application, we can use them. In Java, different characters are represented, are called Unicode, Universal Code. Java supports about 65,000 characters of about 24 languages are available. Thanks for watching.